In this video we are going to create a cell grid system that will open cell trades when we have a falling trend. So let's find out how to do that with MQL4. To get started, please click on a little icon here or press F4 on your keyboard. Now you should see the Metaeditor window, and here you want to click on File, New File, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. I will call this file Simple Cell Grid System. Click on Continue, Continue and Finish. Now you can delete everything above the Ontick function and the two command lines here. First we need a string variable for the signal that will also be called signal, and we don't assign a value here because we are going to calculate that later. Inside of the Ontick function we create a static double variable called nextCellPrice. We are going to use that for the next price level. And if we have no open positions, that would be the case when OrdersTotal returns a value of 0. We want to set the next cell price level to 0. To find out if we have a cell signal, we are going to use a function that is called checkEntrySignal. This function doesn't exist so far, so we need to code it in a few minutes. For our cell position we want to check a few conditions. First we want to check if the bid price is below the next cell price level that we have defined, or if the next cell price is 0. The next condition we want to check is if the signal has been a cell signal. If both conditions are true, we are going to use OrderSend for the current symbol on the chart to open a cell trade for 10 microlot. And right afterwards we are going to set the next cell price level to a value 30 points below the bid price. Let's add a command statement to output the bid price and the next cell price on our chart, so we see what's going on. So far this is it with the Ontick function, but remember, the function for the entry signal still needs to be created. Our function will have the name checkEntrySignal and it will return a string value. To calculate the current signal we are going to use something very easy. We want to check if the close price for candle 1 is bigger than the open price for candle 1. If that is the case, we consider that to be a buy signal. So now we assign the word buy to our signal. In the other case, if the close price for candle 1 is below the open price for candle 1, that would be a sell signal, and in that case we would assign the word sell to our signal. Finally, we use the return statement to return the signal to our main module, and that's about it. Well, if this was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what all the code here does, maybe you want to watch one of the other videos, or maybe even the premium course on our website might be interesting for you. That's where you actually can also find a link for source codes like in this video. But for now, please click on the compile button or press F7 on your keyboard. I don't have any errors here, and if that is the case, you can click on the little button here or press F4 to go back to MetaTrader. And in MetaTrader you want to click on View, Strategy Tester or press Ctrl and R. Please pick the new file simplecellgridsystem.ex4, enable the visual mode here and start your test. Here we are, this is our first position. I will increase the speed a little bit, and now you see that we have a second position and a third one. So our little expert advisor works as expected. And in this little video you have learned how to create a cell grid system for Metatrader 4, and you have coded it yourself with a few lines of MQL4 code.